Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cloudy Secret. If you are new here, I would suggest you should subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram at @cloudy_secret. I'll put the links in the description box below, so do check them out. So let's begin with today's video, which is really special. As you can tell by the title, this is a PR unboxing video. I have been vlogging and reviewing products, creating looks for past 2.5 years, although love for makeup is from my childhood. So I am mainly into an academic profession, and this is my passion, hobby, whatever you can say. But today I am able to work with amazing brands. Brands are paying me, they are sending products and they trust my review, and people who follow me like you guys who supports me throughout on my Instagram, on my YouTube, in every aspect of life. I'm so thankful that I'm able to do my dream video. I have always been wanting to do huge PR unboxing videos, free stuff beauty gurus get, though I'm not a beauty guru and I'm not showing off, but I'm truly thankful that finally I am getting recognized by the brands and they are putting their trust on me. So it's a huge step for me and it's a milestone for me. And the fact that it took 2.5 years to get here where I am, where I have a good following on YouTube and on Instagram, and brands are trusting me, this means world to me. So thanks to you guys, and because of that lots of goodies will be coming your way too. So stay tuned and do follow me on Instagram because all the fun stuff. Before showing the stuffs or the packages, please don't feel sad that you are not getting it or why I am getting it, or don't just start saying that I'm a blogger, I'm a YouTuber to get free stuff. That's how it doesn't work. You have to put in lots of effort. You have to put your work first, then only people will come to you. So don't feel disheartened. If you are passionate about it, work hard for it. Good times will come your way too. So the first package I want to show, it's from Profusion. This is a huge box. I know this is literally a box full of makeup. I won't show everything in details. I'll just show you what all I got to save time. So from Profusion I got a contour and conceal palette. So this is how it looks. I will share the review in a separate video. Then I got a lipstick kit. I got an eyeshadow palette which is really beautiful. Then I got beautiful highlighting palette. This is amazing. I have already tested them, so I know they are good. Also we got a beautiful tote bag from Profusion. So thank you Profusion India. These are available on Nykaa, so do check them out. The next brand is another international brand. It's a jewelry brand. It's called Jolly Moon. So they have sent me few of their jewelry product and also sent me a discount code for you all, which I'll put in the description box and also on the screen. So they have sent me one jewelry box which is like this. The jewelries are mine. So this is how it looks. And they have also sent me 3 pieces of jewelry, and they come in such luxe box that you can easily gift. If you want to see the jewelry pieces, do follow me on Instagram. I am putting pictures of this on there only. The third brand is another international brand. It's Prackt. It's a sister brand of Sigma Beauty. So let me just unbox it. I should have opened it. Okay, so stay tuned for a fun giveaway with Prackt. This is their palm mat, which is a brush cleaning and makeup brushes blenders cleaning tool. This is really helpful. I already have one, so one of you will win this. Then they have sent me their brush to test. This is a concealer brush, and then they have sent the Sigma scrub. Now Sigmagic scrub is amazing for washing your brushes, and I am really excited to try this. I will share a separate video on all of this. Trust me, I will do, and I will be very regular on YouTube from now on. So this is the third box, and now the fourth box is from Indian brand. It's from P-Safe. They have sent me their sanitary napkins, which are biodegradable, and also they have sent me one cramp relief roll-on. So I'm really excited to try this because I think this will be really very helpful. The next package is really very special for me because it's from Gujarat, and it's from one of my favorite person's sister. This is a jewelry brand, not a brand, a jewelry store which is owned by Sapna Upadhyay. She is sister of Payal, like Payal Thakur, the owner of YBP. So I am really excited that I got two beautiful earrings from her side, and I can't wait to style them. They do have unique jewelry, like modern, abstract jewelry pieces to really traditional jewelry pieces. So I will leave their link in the description box below, so do check them out and look out for the styling of these two beautiful earrings. Next pack is from Megha Mart India. Now I have already put the review video on the YouTube channel because this came really long ago in July, in first week of July or last week of June only. So I have been trying their products. So I got 3 products, one face wash, 2 really good moisturizing gel. So if you want to know my views on them, do check out the video. I'll put the link in the description box below and also on the screen somewhere. Now there are some skincare brands which you really want to try, and people want your review on them, so you really want to work with them. One of such brand is Glamaroma. They not only have skincare products, they also have their fragrances and also their own cosmetics line. But I really wanted to try some skincare product first because I really love skincare products, and trying organic, very good quality skincare products, and they have been in the market, and I have seen so many good reviews, and so many of you wanted me to try this. So they were really generous enough to send me one big box of products. Also I have bought some of them myself too. So what I got is 3 products which I bought. They are the hair tonic, eyelash boosters, and the eye serum. And what she have sent me is generous, like look at that. So all these products will be reviewed separately, and also I'll do a separate unboxing video for this, otherwise it will get really long. But a secret, it has their bestsellers. The next package is from Herb Islands. This is their vitamin C kit. I have done a demo and review video on this too, so you will find that on the description box below, and also I'll put a link somewhere in the screen. So this is a really big facial kit which is amazing, smells so good, so good. And if you want to know my views on them, check out the link with Lust brand, which is a Korean brand, and I love K Beauty and their products. So this is not a PR kit, but it was more of a generous of them to send me as a gift. So I'm talking about Laneige. They have sent me their two best sellers, the lip sleeping mask and their water sleeping mask. I have already tried them. So today I unboxed so many packages, like almost 9 or 10 packages, and they were not bought by me. They were sent to me for review purposes or as their generous gift from the brand, and I'm quite happy and really grateful to get all these. And you will see separate video on each package, so stay tuned on my YouTube channel as well as on my Instagram, because there will be lots of amazing content featuring these products. You will see skincare reviews, you will see makeup looks and whatnot. Really exciting time for me because I'm getting to experience so many good brands and so many good opportunities. I really want to thank you guys. So stay tuned for an amazing giveaway on my Instagram and also on my YouTube channel. That's all for today. Thank you so much for all the love. Keep supporting and keep loving my content. That would mean the world to me. So that's all for today. Bye.